Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. The Bank of Jamaica has announced a 25 basis point cut in its policy interest rate, lowering it from 6% to 5.7% per annum, effective May 21, 2025. The move was unanimously agreed by the BOJ's Monetary Policy Committee, which says the decision comes as inflation remains within the target range of 4% to 6%. Annual headline inflation stood at 5.3% in April, with core inflation at 4.4%, reflecting price stability. The BOJ also says it aims to preserve stability in the foreign exchange market, with forecasts suggesting inflation will stay within the target over the next 2 years. Tropical Battery Company Limited has announced plans to raise up to $2 billion by way of secondary public offering. The company has been steadily expanding its operations. More in this report.
Tropical Battery is charging ahead with plans to open its 7th retail location, a state-of-the-art store that will feature electric vehicle charging stations, reinforcing its position as a key player in Jamaica's transition to clean energy.
And that's going to be in Tropical Plaza, and it will have electric vehicles in there. We sell electric bikes, electric cars like Tesla, and we're able to service all EVs. And that we think, just like there's a secondary garage market in Jamaica that not everybody wants to carry their car to service at a dealer, we can service electric vehicles, and probably more economically than the dealership.
This milestone coincides with the company's announcement of its second public offering SPO, slated to open on May 22 to June 6, 2025. The company plans to raise up to $2 billion by issuing up to 954.5 million new ordinary shares at a price of $1.87 per share, with a potential upsize to 1.12 billion shares. CEO of Tropical Battery, Alexandra Melville, details the intended use of the proceeds.
To pay down a lot of the debt, and for us you have some working capital to grow as well.
Sagicor Investments Jamaica is one of the co-brokers.
Investors love to participate in good companies, strong companies, solid financial performing companies, and Tropical Battery is one of those companies. So I think appetite, what we've seen so far, is good. And so now we're just going to bring it home to drive subscriptions so we can raise the required $1.8 billion. That's an offer.
Meanwhile, Cygnus Capital Limited, the lead arranger, believes the offer holds a strong appeal.
In terms of the strong earning potential, we've seen, as Chede would have outlined, where revenues, EBITDAs, all sorts of profitability have increased over the last year with the acquisition of Roots. Outside of that, there is the introduction now of US dollar flows, with Rose now contributing a significant amount of revenue or sales to the company.
Tropical Battery has been on an aggressive expansion path since its initial public offering in 2020. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
The JSE index declined by 1,306 points, while the junior market index declined by 25 points. The winners included Main Event Entertainment Group, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, R.A. Williams Distributors, MFS Capital Partners, and Guardian Holdings. The losers included Kentire Holdings, Access Financial Services, JMMB Group Limited 9.50%, 9.50%, Epley Limited 7.25% preference shares, and Edufocal Limited 19 stocks traded firm. No trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $159.49. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.36. The pound is going for $214.22, while the euro is selling for an average $179.19. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.